Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us learn about LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple or least common multiple. LCM is the smallest number that can be divided completely without any remainder by all the given numbers. So here let us find the LCM of the given numbers, that is 20, 30 and 40. So to find the LCM of 20, 30 and 40, we have to divide all of these numbers by any number. So let us divide them at a same time. Let us divide all the given three numbers at a same time, that is 20, 30 and 40. So we can start from smallest number also. Let us divide them from 2. 2 tens are 20. So then 2 15s are 30. Then 2 20s are 40. Now next again we can take 2 again and let us divide them. 5 2s are 10. 15 cannot be divided, so we will write 15 as it is. Next 10 2s are 20. Now we can divide the remaining numbers by 5. So let us divide them by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So now 3 and 2 are remaining. So we can divide them by 3 and 2. So let us divide them by 2. 3 will be written as it is and 2 will be divided. In the next step we can divide the remaining 3. So we have to divide them completely. Now by multiplying the numbers from which we have divided 20, 30 and 40, we will get the LCM of all these numbers. LCM, that is lowest common multiple of all the given numbers, that is 20, 30 and 40 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 2s are 40 and 43s are 120. So the LCM, that is least common multiple of 20, 30 and 40 is 120. So this is how we can find the LCM, least common multiple of any given numbers. So let us solve some more questions to find the LCM of the given numbers. Now first we have done already. In next question we have 12, 18 and 24. So let us divide them at a same time to get the LCM. So 12, 18 and 24, all of them can be divided by 2. So let us divide all the given numbers by number 2. So if we divide them by 2, we will get 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18 and 12 2s are 24. Now in next step we can divide the numbers 6, 9 and 12 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now in next step we can divide the numbers by 2. So we will get 2 1s are 2, 3 will be written as it is, as it cannot be divided by 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Now here itself we can stop dividing. The LCM of the given numbers will be, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. As we have not divided the last numbers that are 3 and 2, we will write them in the multiplication. So after multiplying all these numbers, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, what we will get? 72 is the LCM of 12, 18 and 24. So Our next question is 6, 12 and 30. So to find the LCM of these numbers, let us divide all of them at a same time by a same number. 6, 12 and 30. All of these numbers can be divided by number 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 15 2s are 30. Next we have 3, 6 and 15. So these all can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Next 2 and 5 are remaining. We will stop dividing here. Now LCM of 6, 12 and 30 will be 2 into 3 and the remaining numbers that are 2 into 5. By multiplying all these numbers, we will get the LCM of 6, 12 and 30, that is 60. 60 is the LCM of 6, 12 and 30. Next question is 5, 15 and 25. So let us divide all these numbers by any same number to get the LCM of 5, 15 and 25. As you can see, 5, 15 and 25, all these numbers can be divided by number 5. So let us divide them by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now the remaining numbers are 3 and 5 that are prime numbers. So here itself we will stop dividing. We will copy them in the multiplication. So by multiplying 5 into 3 into 5, we will get the LCM of 5, 15 and 25, that is 75. 75 is the LCM. So this is how we can find the LCM of any given numbers. I hope you all have understood how to find the LCM. So if you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.